Hi, welcome back to Doyle.Lechner.Art. I'm Sam. Thank you for coming along and watching my video. I wanted to sit somewhere else today to film this section, but the weather outside's not so nice. I thought about sitting in the garden, but I guess I'll have to wait for summer to start. Spring is still doing whatever it wants. Clouds, rain, sunshine. I'm surprised we haven't had some snow. Today's video, I completed my picture from last week. I haven't started the new one in this video. I decided just to leave it with the completion of the picture that I started last week. So I've started the new picture already, and that will be coming up in next week's video. I think they will look nice together. I actually think that they'll look better together. I think I kind of had that in mind anyway when I was planning doing the process, planning what it is that I could visualise for how this would have an outcome. I have started the second picture, but you'll see that next week. I'm going to try and do it in one session so that I can present the picture to you and not do it in two parts like I did this week. I can't promise, only because I'm having such a problem with my hay fever this week that I keep having to go and lie down with a cool cloth on my eyes because my eyes are itching and my nose I'm sneezing all the time. I didn't really have allergies like this until I moved to Germany. Something here, some pollen in one of the trees or the grasses, I don't seem to be able to cope with. But yeah, so I plan on next week having the second picture completed, and I want to show that to you, not doing it in two parts like this picture, but I can't promise. I won't need to see how my hay fever goes this week. But I like the two pictures together from the sketches that I've done. I think they're looking quite nice, and I'll be happy when the project is complete, because I have a nice sense of achievement then that I did what I set out to do, and that's my path and my art, which is what I'm doing now. Finding myself on a path of learning again, to be in control of my art again, and I'm enjoying it. So I've already got a few other projects planned, but yeah, it's an exciting time, and I'm happy this little goldfinch is completed, and I look forward to showing you his brother. I'm not actually sure. I looked up to see the difference between the goldfinch boys and girls, but I couldn't really see a massive difference. Don't know if anybody else can point it out for me, but I just think of them as two little brothers. So yeah, I'd suggest you get yourself a cup of tea, or whatever it is that you drink, sit back, relax, and watch me paint. hope you enjoyed watching me paint today. I think I said quite a lot in the first part of my introduction into the video. So really all I'd like to say now is that I hope you enjoyed watching me paint the picture completed, and he will, with his brother, then be available in my Etsy store in a future date, not too far away. I'm doing a lot of work for my Etsy store at the moment. So yeah, thank you for coming along and watching my video. I really appreciate it. So yeah, if you liked it, please click the like button. If you liked it a lot, please subscribe and click the bell button so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you next week. Have a lovely Sunday. Bye.